What's the crack, lads and lassies? Your boy, your Knight Rider 91, back again with another video. And today we're on a 2018 Kawasaki Vulcan S 650 or 650S, whatever you want to call it. Picking up a bike for a friend here, driving it back to his house. Obviously completely different to what I'm used to between sport bikes and a Honda Gram, but so far so good. It's very smooth. Obviously you sit on it fairly different than on anything else that I've been riding so far. Well, funnily enough, that's actually a similar bike to what I started on. So I started off on a Yamaha Dragster 125 back in the day, and now as you can see we're back on a similar style motorcycle. Very, very clean, just only a small mark here, bought from a dealer, so can't go wrong. It's his first bike as well, so I think it's a good purchase. Very smooth, torquey as well for a 650. I like the cockpit. It's very minimalistic, but everything is there kind of into one place. It has a screen as well. Mirrors are a bit weird, but that can be changed. Yeah, not bad at all actually. Fairly surprised. Fuel gauge, which is very handy. Yeah, overall in very good condition, I must say. 10,000 kilometers on it. We have the time there, gear indicator, still flickable, bit of throttle play. Like that's the dead zone there in the throttle, but I suppose it's not too bad for a a beginner bike. Not even a beginner bike, but just a sportier cruiser, which I know nothing about, by the way. I'm fairly pleasantly surprised. It feels weird taking off one foot with the other foot just kind of up like that. Gear shifts are fairly smooth actually. They're very concrete. So I have him following me actually, so I'm not going to be going mad or anything, but it's a nice different experience. Definitely recommend it. So anybody that's into bikes or riding bikes, if you're only on sport bikes for example, if you have the opportunity to try different bikes, because it's good to have that experience. I like the induction noise on this actually. Nice. That is unreal induction noise. Wow. Really cool, not gonna lie. I'm gonna try to get some of the, I think they're new tires, I'm not sure. Try to get some of the coating off the sides, just so when he gets on the bike he doesn't have to really worry about the coating. Very actually torquey from down low. From what I was reading, I think it's the ER6N engines that have gone into this with a bit of tune-up. Comfortable seat though, from what I'm used to. The seat on the Beamer isn't too bad. Obviously the Gram I don't really take on longer journeys, but I think this is actually the most comfortable seat that I've sat on. So we're gonna get this bike on the motorway as well. I want to hear what the sound is like. So it's a stock exhaust, but you can pretty much hear all of the induction noise here. Love the color as well, such a nice color. Alright, so I'm going to be heading on to the motorway. I'm actually not sure what this sign means here as well. I seen it go off whenever I was giving it throttle. Oh, there we go. Speed demon! That's not too bad actually. From about 6,000 RPM. Nice! Yeah, from about 6,000 RPM it kind of just goes. It's like VTEC. A lot of wind noise though, like this screen, I don't know if you can get a taller one or not. Not even with the wind noise, but a lot of just wind in general. I don't know what that's gonna sound like in the video. Well yeah, it's cruising 120. She can go anyway. I don't know what way to keep my feet. 143, no shakes, no nothing, nice and smooth. We'll chill out, we'll chill out. Yeah, not really sure actually what way. Maybe like this? What way do brothers put their feet when they're riding? Alright, so final thoughts on the Kawasaki Vulcan 650S. Solid bike for the money, solid bike for him. Definitely a good purchase. Nice and torquey. Enough power to get you around. Forgiving for a first bike. Small little quirks here and there, but all in all, pleasantly surprised, I think, like I am with most bikes anyway. Nice experience to try it. I didn't know where to put my feet, to be honest, or what way to hold them, but we got there. So yeah, gonna get some cinematic shots, and that's gonna be it for this one. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and as always, I'll catch you at the next one. Peace.